Pediatric surgeon Leonardo Resurrección died fighting the coronavirus on March 31st. He's one of the 26 frontliners the country lost to the virus. As of Wednesday, the health department says 1,062 healthcare workers have COVID-19. That's over 15% of the total cases. The World Health Organization says it is worried about the situation.
In our region, overall, it's around 2 to 3%. We don't have exact data why the reason is that, but what we can see from the trend is that is the shortage of PPE, the training on how to use it, and then lastly, is it the overwhelm of the health system.
A health reform advocate says the government failed to stock up on protective gear early on.
Kasi relevant yung ating PPE dito sa to protect the doctors. So yun nga, isa sa checklist natin.
The health secretary says frontliners in hospitals nationwide need 120,000 protective gear daily, like coveralls, gowns, and 95 masks and shoe covers. But based on the health department's inventory from reporting hospitals, there's barely enough government supply for a week.
Critical the areas are, that would be the full level, I think it's level 3 or level 4 PPEs. So, hindi naman po lahat kailangan kompletong PPEs. May mga iba, hindi kailangan ng full PPEs, kung hindi N95 mask lang, no? Halimbawa sa mga contact tracers.
The Philippines has ordered around 1 million protective gear from China. A portion of that order will arrive this week, but the bulk has yet to be shipped. No one knows when the COVID-19 crisis will end. And until then, frontliners would be as vulnerable to the virus without enough protection. Local company Conweb has agreed to manufacture 300,000 medical-grade coveralls for the government. 10,000 were turned over to the Philippine General Hospital today. Apart from supply, the health secretary said proper use is a concern. Chinese medical experts who assessed the country COVID response efforts during a visit said some healthcare workers are using protective gear inappropriately. Then, there are also patients who put healthcare workers at risk by failing to disclose their exposure to an infected person or visit to areas with community transmission. Caroline Bonquin, CNN Philippines.